Here's the truth nobody wants to tell you. Your regular savings account is literally stealing from you. Right now, banks are offering high-yield savings accounts with interest rates between 4 and 5.3% annually, but the average checking account pays you basically nothing. We're talking 1%. If you've got $10,000 sitting in a regular account, you're leaving between $40 and $30 on the table every single year. That's not a small number. That's a vacation, or a new laptop, or a month of groceries. And most people don't even realize it's happening. Let's talk about mistake number 1. Ignoring current interest rates and thinking all high-yield savings accounts are created equal. They're absolutely not. Right now in 2025, the best HYSAs are paying 5.3%, but some banks are only offering 4.5%. That might sound like a small difference, but over a year on a $50,000 balance, you're looking at the difference between $2,650 versus $2,250. That's $400 lost because you didn't shop around. Every single month, these rates change, and banks are counting on you being lazy and not paying attention. Mistake number 2 is keeping your emergency fund or savings in your regular checking or savings account at your brick-and-mortar bank. I get it. It feels safer there because you recognize the bank's name and you've been with them for years. But that loyalty is literally costing you thousands. If you move that same money to a high-yield savings account at a bank like Marcus, Ally, or American Express, you're instantly earning 5 times more interest without taking on any additional risk. Your money is still fully protected by FDIC insurance, up to $250,000 per account. The safety is identical. The only difference is yours, how much money the bank is actually paying you for the privilege of holding your cash. Now, let's address mistake number 3 because this one scares people unnecessarily. Not understanding FDIC protection. A lot of folks think that if they put their money in an online bank, it's not protected, so they keep everything at their traditional bank instead. That's a myth that's costing you money. FDIC insurance covers deposits up to $250,000 at each institution, and it doesn't matter if the bank is online or offline. So your $30,000 in a high-yield savings account at an online bank is just as protected as it would be sitting in a Chase branch. In fact, online banks are actually safer because they have lower overhead costs and stronger security measures. The FDIC protection is real, it's guaranteed, and it applies to HYSAs just like it applies to regular savings accounts. Here's the action plan. If you want to actually start making money passively through a high-yield savings account. Step 1. Decide how much money you can afford to set aside. This should be your emergency fund, plus any short-term savings you're not investing. Step 2. Compare current rates across at least 3 platforms. Right now, check Marcus, Ally, American Express, and Wealthfront. Spend 30 minutes doing this research. Step 3. Open an account online. It takes maybe 15 minutes and requires your ID and social security number. Step 4. Set up an automated transfer from your main bank account to your HYSA once a month. Then, just leave it alone. You're not day trading. You're not checking it constantly. You're just letting your money earn interest while you sleep. The real kicker here is that this isn't complicated, and it doesn't require you to understand the stock market or have tens of thousands of dollars. Even if you start with just $5,000 in a high-yield savings account at 5.25%, that's $260 a year you weren't earning before, and that's money that compounds. Next year, you're earning interest on that interest. This is how financial freedom actually starts, Not with flashy get-rich-quick schemes, but with boring, proven money tips that work consistently. You've heard me talk about personal finance mistakes before, and this is one of the biggest ones: leaving your money in the wrong place. Don't be that person anymore. Before you go, I want to be clear. This video is educational content about how to save money and understand passive income strategies, but it's not financial advice. Your situation is unique, and you should always do your own research and potentially talk to a financial advisor before moving your money around. That said, the math here is simple, and it's in your favor. High-yield savings accounts are one of the safest, easiest ways to improve your financial situation right now. So if you found this valuable, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which of these mistakes you've been making. I reply to comments, and I want to know what's resonating with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.